Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Bhubaneswar, specializing in providing innovative building information modeling (BIM) solutions. With a strong commitment to quality and client satisfaction, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. The company offers a wide range of BIM services, including 3D modeling, clash detection, virtual construction, quantity takeoff, and MEP coordination. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of accuracy and efficiency in the construction process. By using the latest software and technology, the company is able to create detailed virtual models that accurately represent the physical characteristics of a building. These models allow for better visualization and coordination among different stakeholders, resulting in improved project outcomes. Scon Design India Private Ltd takes pride in its team of highly skilled professionals who possess extensive knowledge and experience in the field of BIM. The company's experts are adept at handling complex projects and delivering customized solutions to meet specific client requirements. They work closely with architects, engineers, contractors, and other stakeholders to ensure seamless communication and collaboration throughout the project lifecycle. One of the key advantages of partnering with Scon Design India Private Ltd is their ability to streamline the construction process through BIM. By creating a digital representation of the building, the company can identify potential clashes or conflicts early on, thus reducing rework and saving valuable time and resources. This proactive approach helps minimize construction errors and ensures smooth project execution. In today's fast-paced digital world, 3D scanning services have become increasingly popular and essential for various industries. Bhubaneswar, a rapidly developing city in India, is also witnessing a surge in demand for these services. One prominent player in the market is Scon Design India Private Ltd, a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Bhubaneswar. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise, Scon Design India Private Limited has established itself as a reliable and trusted name in the industry. The 3D scanning services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd are highly sought after due to their accuracy, speed, and efficiency. Using state-of-the-art equipment and advanced software, they can capture precise digital replicas of physical objects or environments. Whether it is for architectural purposes, product development, reverse engineering, or quality control, their 3D scanning services are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. One of the key advantages of opting for 3D scanning services from Scon Design India Private Ltd is the ability to create detailed and realistic 3D models. These models can be used for a wide range of applications, such as virtual reality experiences, 3D printing, animations, and simulation.